thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the company's management screen and account settings. Let's get started. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of any Blade screen. Then click Account Settings. Click on the Companies tab. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu listing every company currently connected to your Blade account. For example, if your business has an operating location in Colorado Springs and another operating location in Fort Collins, each of those two operating entities should be entered as separate companies in Blade. So first, select the desired company. Then, edit company information as needed. All changes are saved automatically. The company name field should list the legal or operating name of the business. This name will appear on invoices and printed documents generated within Blade. The phone, fax, and website information is listed as contact information with Blade. This information also populates company-level headers and footer fields on Blade documents. Click the W-9 upload icon to upload a scanned PDF of the first page of the company's most recent IRS W-9 form. Each time you update your W-9, upload the current copy to Blade. The W-9 is automatically added to merge documents when you compile an invoice packet to be sent to an insurance carrier. The mailing address is self-explanatory. The office or physical address is available within Blade as contact information. It's also used within Blade to automatically make drive time calculations. The tax ID number is printed on invoices and other custom documents compiled by Blade. Upload a quality image file of the company logo. The logo is printed on all invoices and other custom documents compiled by Blade. Blade automatically tracks key lien dates and keeps you informed in real time for each job. Never miss another lien deadline. The information you add here defines key triggers and timelines for mechanics liens in the state where the selected company operates. First, the pre-lien requirement. Select the most relevant option that defines the state requirement for delivering a pre-lien notification for a mechanics lien. Next, enter the maximum number of days allowed to file a mechanics lien. Then, select the lien counter start trigger. Some states specify that the allowable number of days to file a lien begins on the day the work begins at the job site. Other states require that the lien counter starts ticking when all work is complete at the job site. Finally, enter the number of days to enforce the lien. This number is simply informational data for your team. Okay, enter a monthly late fee percentage. This value is the monthly fee that will be assessed on all late property owner invoices. The percentage entered here should match the monthly late fee you disclose to the property owner in your contract, invoice terms, and other documents. Blade utilizes this late fee percentage to automatically calculate late fees for you. Learn more about calculating late fees in the Support Center's Billing Tools module. Use this slider to deactivate or activate the company. Deactivating the company will hide it within Blade while still retaining all historical information and project data. All right, let's turn our attention to these three tiles: user access, notifications, and roles. This user access tool is used to grant users access and permission levels to this company. To grant a user access to this company, select the user from the drop-down list of account users. Choose a permission level, then click the green Add button. The permission levels are Admin, Finance, Manager, and Technician. These access levels restrict what the user can see and do with this company's data within Blade. These permission levels allow you to restrict visibility to documents, notes, financial data, invoices, reports, and other information based on need to know in a user's job function. All users with admin access are able to view this company's tab within account settings. That means they will have the ability to manage all company settings. They can view, create, and edit all information within Blade. Users with finance level permission can view, create, and edit all information within Blade, but they cannot see or manage company settings on this company's tab. Users with manager access cannot see financial data and information within the app. They have access to operations-related reports. Users with technician access cannot see financial data, information, or manager reports. Okay, let's move on. You can edit a user's access level permission simply by selecting the desired access level permission from the dropdown. All changes are saved automatically. Revoke user access to this company by selecting the user, then click the red minus button. Removing access does not delete this user's saved data and information. It simply terminates the user's ability to see or access this company or its data within Blade. In the notifications tile, you can automate internal emails for specific billing triggers, like invoice sent or client sent to collections. For example, if a user has a notification for payment issued to client, when any user within Blade records that a payment has been issued to a client, this user will automatically receive an email with client and payment information. This could be a powerful tool. Imagine that the rebuild manager can be automatically notified when the client has a payment for the mitigation work. To create the notification, simply pick the user, choose a notification event from the dropdown, and click Add. To remove the notification, select the notification to remove, then click the red minus button to remove. In the Roles tile, you can assign the user to custom role tags like Weekend Crew, Estimator, or Supervisor. This is another powerful feature within Blade. For example, tasks can be assigned to a user or to a role. To assign a user to a role, first, select the user. Then, choose a role from the dropdown. Click the Add button. To remove a role, select it and click the red minus button. Use the predefined roles available within Blade, or use your own. You can create your own custom roles on the General Inputs tab within Account Settings. The Forms tile allows you to upload standard documents, such as work orders, reports, notifications, lien forms, or other docs. These docs are easily added into the document set of any job within Blade. To upload a form, first, click the Upload icon. Then, select the document. The document will appear in the list and can be viewed by clicking on the link. All right, that brings us to the QuickBooks tile. Connect or disconnect this company to an existing QuickBooks Online account using the green button. You will be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account and authorize the connection. After connecting, two drop-down select boxes will appear to allow you to associate a QuickBooks Online income account with each of the 7 trades in Blade. Trades are types of disaster restoration jobs. Select the trade in the first drop-down box. Then select the desired income account from the list of your QuickBooks Online income accounts to link up with the selected trade. Repeat the process for each of the 7 trades. To add a new company to the account, click the New Company button and enter the required information. Remember, Blade subscription plans are based on the number of companies you add. If you add more companies than your current plan allows, your subscription will automatically be upgraded to the next tier. Okay, that's a quick tour of the Blade Company's Management Console. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.